Hello and thanks for watching this Acumatica video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can make a certain field or fields required. Many times when you're creating a certain document or a customer or an item or whatever screen or data you're trying to save, there may be a requirement to have your employees fill out a piece of information that is otherwise not a required field. So in this case, if we go down and let's say, for example, we create an order and we add a line item. So we're going through this, and one of the fields that is commonly missed is the delivery method. So let's say, for example, we want to make this field required for the end user, the employee, to fill out. Right now, if I save it, it'll let me save with no problems. But let me show you how we can make this field required. We'll head over to our customization manager. And I happen to already have a project that has the screen that we want to make a change to. So we'll open it up. And under screens, you can see the screens. This is the one we talked about. This is the one we're modifying. Now, we're going to modify this screen and take a look at it, but here's how you can add an existing screen. So if we wanted to do this for something else, we could. But let's click on this here, open the screen up, and we'll expand it over here in the tree view, and we'll open up fields. So currently this screen is empty. It's got no fields in it. But what we can do here is we can add a field and we'll select the container. So in this case, the container is going to be the current document, the shipping information. And then you can see all the fields that are part of that area of the document. Now, if I scroll down to the ship via, I can check it off and add it. Now what you get here is a bunch of options that you can change for this field. So we can say here, required is true. You can also use other conditions. Now these conditions are things you can pick up and define under here, under conditions. In this case, we're going to say true. We'll save it and we'll publish it. Now we'll go back to Acumatica and refresh our order. And if we were to create a new order, and try to save, we get the error message, ship via cannot be empty. You come over to our shipping settings, select a delivery method, and save. Now we're good to go. But let's say we want to require this to be filled only if other data matches our criteria. In that case, we can do a condition. So if we go back to our customization project, we go to conditions, we'll create a brand new condition. And maybe the condition is that it's bartending is the customer. Customer is bartending. We'll give it a field name equals customer is equal to USA bartending. Click OK on that. And now we have this new condition here. We go back to our fields, and instead of saying true, which means true all the time, we change it to customers bartending, and we save it and publish. Now we'll go back and refresh our sales order. And if we go to shipping settings and we try and take this out and save, we're getting this message that that field is required. Now, if we change the customer to something else, and try and save, the save goes through completely without any message. So this gives you the ability to require certain fields. Maybe you require ship via only when you have the shipping rule is ship complete. Or maybe you have a delivery method every time there's a scheduled shipment date of 7 days in advance. There's many different options and different reasons you might do this, but this allows you to extend the logic of your business to Acumatica's workflow. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Please feel free to reach out and contact us. Have a great day.